In today's video, I'm going to tell you why you should care about social commerce and how jumping on this new trend could benefit your business. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name's Leah and I am creating a series on social commerce. So if you're interested in social commerce videos and you want to see more just like this one, then subscribe to my channel down below and be sure to turn on the bell and YouTube will notify you when I make future videos just like this. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. The first reason on my list why you should care about social commerce is because you can have a better connection with followers and customers. So social commerce enables brands and users to have a two-way communication. This is a win-win situation for both the brand and the customer because the brand can use social media as a customer service point to solve any problems that their customers may be having. So the customer can contact the brand through their social media page without having to go the traditional route of going via email or via their website, doing an email and waiting for a response time up to 48 hours later. This way is in real time. Your customer can go straight to social media, contact the brand, and that way issues can be solved more efficiently in a more quicker time and everyone will be happy in the end. The brand will have a better reputation and the customer is going to have a better view of the brand because their issue is solved quick and efficiently. Second reason on my list why you should care about social commerce is because you can gain an authentic engagement and reach. So when you post content to your social media feed, you have the opportunity to reach an endless number of potential customers. So once you build a large audience, those followers are more likely to recommend your brand to their own network of followers and friends. Third on my list is that it will increase the traffic to your website. Social commerce will increase the traffic to your website. This is a proven fact. So you should give yourself the opportunity to have increased traffic to your website by including the link to your website in your social media profile. You should also be posting content from your website on your social media so followers can click the content and be redirected to your website. You should also be referencing your website in your content so when your followers share this content you can gain yourself a larger audience. Fourth on my list is that it's easy to measure performance. Major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram make it easy for you to measure your performance because they have a built-in metric that allows you to evaluate how your business is performing. You can check the traffic to your content or page and you can check the number of likes, shares and followers, and also don't forget real-time comments. Fifth on my list of reason why you should care about social commerce is because it's easier to grow an audience. Yes, my people, the hardest thing to do is to grow an audience of loyal followers and customers that will visit your website on a regular basis. Well, social commerce is going to be much easier for you to grow an audience because social media is free and large platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram have made it easier for you to grow an audience of loyal followers and customers because they already have millions of users on their platform that may have an interest in your type of business and they are using these platforms actively every single day. So you have a large number of people that you can connect with quite quickly without having to pay large sums of money to recruit them to come to your website. So my lovely people, we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more social commerce videos because trust me, more are coming very soon. And don't forget to turn on the bell and YouTube is going to notify you when I post more videos just like this. I thank you for watching and I hope you found this video very useful and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you again. See you soon. Bye.